Hello everyone, welcome to Language Symphony. Today we will write an IELTS informal letter, commonly written to a friend. Before writing it, let's look at the question prompt. The task asks us to write a letter to a friend who invited us to a concert, but we cannot attend it. We also needed to cover 3 points. Explain why we cannot go, suggest another activity, and explain why our friend would enjoy it. First, we will begin with a polite greeting and an apology. Dear Smith, I hope you are doing well. First of all, I am very sorry that I cannot attend the musical concert next week in your area. This immediately makes the purpose clear. In the first bullet point, we will explain the reason. To do that, I have planned a common excuse that my company is sending me to another country to lead our team. This shows a valid and believable excuse. So we may begin. When I received your invitation, I was really excited, as it would have been a wonderful chance to meet after such a long time. Unfortunately, my company has decided to send me to France next month to lead our marketing team, so I will not be able to join you. Well, I have a friend who loves fishing so much, so I imagine his hobby in this letter and will offer him an opportunity to fish in my area. Okay, so in the second bullet point, we can write, I feel bad about this, but I would like to suggest another plan. I will return in 2 months, and I warmly invite you to visit my city in March. We can go fishing in the nearby lakes, which are especially lively during that season. The third bullet point is the extension of the second bullet point. So here, we will provide more information about the fishing to attract him to accept the offer, as it is his hobby. I will also mention other fun activities, hoping that a combination of activities may persuade him more. We may write, my town is well known for its beautiful rivers and lakes, which attract many people for fishing every year. You won't need to worry about bringing anything, as all the fishing gear and equipment are easy to find and rent here at a very low cost. Apart from fishing, we can also spend some time watching movies at the local cinema. In the evenings, we could enjoy playing indoor games and visiting local restaurants and pubs, which I believe would give us plenty of chances to relax and have fun. Finally, I will restate my grievance for missing out on the concert and offer him to visit my city to make up for it before the sign-off. I hope you will accept both my apology and my invitation. I truly look forward to seeing you in March. Warm regards, Mr. So far, the tone is friendly and polite, which matches the context of writing to a friend. The ideas are clear, well-organized, and connected with simple linking words. Overall, this letter fully addresses all 3 bullet points, maintaining a consistent, informal style. It would likely score a band 8 or above in IELTS.